This is Mahesh. In this session, we are going to see cyclicity. Why we are going for cyclicity means because if you have a very big power values, for example 5 power 777, so then what is the last digit? If the question is about like that, we are going to solve that. Okay, that is why we are using cyclicity. Cyclicity is for mainly to find out the last digit, which is nothing but unit digit. The other name for last digit is unit digit of a number. Okay, so let's get started. For every power, after a certain number of powers, which is repeating the same last digit. So look at here. So when it comes to 2 power 1 is 2, 2 square is 4, 2 cube is 8, 2 power 4 is 16, and 2 power 5 is 32. The last digit is repeating after 4th power. Am I right? So when it takes 2, so 2, and then it goes on, the same thing will happen. 32, 64, and then 128, and 256, and then again 512. After every 4 powers, it is repeating its last digit, its unit digit, which means the cycle for the power 2 powers is 4. That is what I have mentioned here. So cycle is what first we have to find. There is 10 digits 0 to 9. So for all the digits we are going to find the cycle now first. The second one, 3, when you take 3 and substituting the same rule, which is nothing but 3 power 1 is 3, 3 square is 9, and 3 cube is 27, and 3 power 4 is 81, and 3 power 5 is 243, and so on. So after 4 power, it repeats its value. So 3, 3, and then you are getting after every 4 power. So cycle for 3 is 4, cycle for 2 is 4. After every 4 power, 2 and 3 will repeat the same last digit. Okay, that's what given here. And then 4, when you take 4 power 1 is 4, 4 square is 16, and 4 cube is 64. After 2 powers, which is repeating its last digit. The same when it comes to 5 power 1 is 5, 5 square is 25, which is nothing but if a number ends with 5 means it is whatever the power in crores, power may be in crores, but your answer will be the last digit is 5, because it is cycle is 1. And when it comes to 6, the same applies. 6 power 1 is 6, and 6 square is 36. Again repeating 6. Whatever the power may be above 6, but the last digit will be 6, because only one cycle. Cycle power is 1. Every 1 power which is repeating the same value. Here repeats after every 2, here repeats after every 4, and then here repeats after every 4. So come to 7, when you calculate 7 power 1 is 7, and 7 square 49, 7 cube 343, and 7 power 4 is 2407, and 7 power 5 is 16807. So here after the power 4, it repeats 7 again. So which means cycle for 7 is 4. And cycle for 8 is 8 power 1 is 8, 8 square is 64, 8 cube is, and then 512, 8 power 4 is 4096, and 8 power 5 is 32768, which means what is there? The repeating is after 4 power. So 8, 4, 2, 6, and then 8, 4, 2, 6, 8, 4, 2, 6, and so on. Okay, done. 9 power 1 is 9, 9 square is 81, 9 cube is 729. So 9 is repeating after every 2 powers. So let's put it this like this. So digits, what are the digits and then their cycle. So if the last digit is 0 means which is any power will give you 0, because cycle is 1. And then 1 means also which always give you 1. So if the last digit is 1 and its power is something 500 or 700, but anyway it will end with 1. So last digit is 1. And then 2, when it comes to 2, 4, and then for 3, 4, and then for 4, 2, and then again 5, 6, 1, 1, and 7, 8, 4, 4, and 9 is 2. So there is a pattern double 1, double 4, 2. So from 0 to 9, double 1, double 4, 2, again double 1, double 4, 2. Listen here, double 1, double 4, 2, double 1, double 4, 2. So this is I am giving you to memorize that. Okay. Anyway, you don't need to memorize. On the spot you can calculate, right? So what is the cycle for 9? If suddenly you need to know what is the cycle for 9, 9 power 1 is 9, 9 square is 81, and 9 cube is 729. So So after 2 powers, which is repeating its last digit, which means cycle is 2. You can calculate then and there. So this is just to remember, okay? If you want, if you have questions, lot of questions in cyclicity, even you can box it in your rough paper and then solve the problems, okay? That's it. These are the things you need to know before solving the sums, okay? What is the cycle? And then if the example, if you are getting 7 power 4 means automatically you can get 1 as the last digit. If you are getting 7 power 3 and then 3 as the last digit. Here, look one example. For example, 2 power 73. Find out the last digit. If the question is 2 power 73, what you will do? You have after every 4 power, which is repeating the same value. Here, remove 4s. How many times of 4 is there in 73? 73, how many times of 4? When you cancel, what is the remainder? That is what you need to know. You need to know the remainder. That's what here, when you calculate 4, 1 times of 4 and the remaining 3, 30, in 33, you have 8 times of 4. What is the remainder? 1, which means 2 power 1 is equal to 2 power 73. Which in this case, we are talking about the last digit alone. When it takes 2 power 73 and 2 power 1, both last digit is same. 2 power 1 value is 2. So, both last digit is 2. Like that you have to calculate. So, for the same time, you have only 1, 4 and 2. You know the rule, divisibility rule for 4 and 2, right? What is the divisibility rule for 2? Last digit should be divisible by 2. And then what is the divisibility rule for 4? Last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. So, if the question is there means you need only 2 digits to find its cycle. Because highest value is 4. I know the rule for 4. The last 2 digits. Okay. Let's get into the problem. The first one. So, what is the unit digit of 27 power 4312? 27. What you have to do at first is, so I am going to find the unit digit, which means I need unit digit alone. So I don't need 27. I need 7 4312. 7 power 4312. Even I don't need 4312 because what is 7th cycle? 7th cycle is 4, no? What is the rule for 4? Last 2 digits alone enough. So I can write this as 7 power 12. Am I right? When I remove 7, how many times of 4 is there? Because 7th power is 4. After every 4 power, which is repeating. How many times of 4 is there? 3 times of 4, remainder is 0. When you get remainder 0, here remainder 0, right? When you divide it by 4, what you will get? Divided by 4, we are only taking the remainder because after every power which is repeating the same. So here remainder is 0. When you get remainder 0, 7 power 4 is the answer, which is nothing but cycle in the power is the answer. So 7 power 4, what is the value? 2401. I need the unit digit alone. For this question, the answer is unit digit is 1. Okay, I hope you are clear. I'll explain this again. 7 power 4312 I have taken from here because I am going to find the unit digit, the last digit. So I need only last digit, 7 power something. And then I know the cycle of 4 is, cycle of 7 is 4. Cycle of 7 is 4. For finding out 4's divisible, I need only last 2 digits. So I am taking last 2 digits alone. So 7 power 12 alone. 7 power 12 divided by 4. I have to take the remainder because that remainder alone will give me the answer. So what is the last digit? So here I am getting remainder as 0. If you get remainder as 0, cycle power itself is the answer. What is the cycle? 7th cycle? 4. So 7 power 4 is the answer. 2401 and then last digit is what your question? Your answer is 1. Okay, next. What is the last digit of 349 power something? 4,23,526. So here, look, what's your first step? You have to take the unit digit, the last digit. And what is 9th cycle? 9th cycle. So I am taking the first step as the whole thing. And then 9 cycle is 2. I know that 9 cycle is 2. So 2 means I need only last digit to find out whether that is divisible by 2 or not. Only last digit alone enough. So when I divide it by 2, I am getting remainder 0. Am I right? So 9, 6 divided by 2, remainder. You have to take remainder alone. Be careful that you should not write the quotient here. You have to find the remainder. So remainder is 0. When you get 0 in the power, 9 power 2. Cycle itself the answer. So 81. So 1 is the answer. Okay? Done. Unit digit for this question also 1. Unit digit is 1. Okay? Let's move on to the next question. It's a very easy topic. So cyclicity is a very easy topic when you know the cycle numbers. Okay? Done. What is the last digit of the expression? They have given you an expression. So first thing you need to know, first what you have to do, you have to take down the given values. So given values are, first step I have to take only unit digits and then whole powers. I'm taking all the powers with unit digit alone because I need unit digit alone into 6 power 776688. I know that what is the cycle for 5? 1. Am I right? Cycle for 5, 1. So your unit digit will be 5 alone. Okay, there won't be any change. Cycle means every time it returns 5 in the last digit. 5 power anything will be last digit 5. Okay, that's all. Over. Next here in 3 power 3 cycle is, I know that 3 cycle is 4. Am I right? 3 cycle is 4. So I need last 2 digits. So 66 divided by 4 is what I have to calculate. Into 6 cycle. What is 6 cycle? 6 cycle is 1. So I will place 1. So here I will place 1 because I will get remainder 0. Divided by 1 means what you will get? Remainder is 0. So remainder 0 means you have to put the cycle number in the power. That's it. 5 power 1, 6 power 1. Okay. That's all the first step. Now you have to calculate 66 divided by 4. What is the remainder? 5. I am writing this 5. 66 divided by 4. In 6, 1 time the remainder is 2. In 26, how many times of 4 is there? Till 24. 6 times of 4 is 24. Remainder is 2. So I am writing this into 6. So next step is 5 plus 9 into 6. What you will do? 5 plus 9 into 6. You know the V bottom, right? Will you do addition or multiplication at first? Multiplication is the first step you have to do. So when you multiply this, 9 into 6, 54. You don't need to write 54. You just need to write 4 alone. First plus 5 plus 4. The last digit will be 9. You don't need to write 54. If you write also, what you will get unit digit? If you write 54 here, 5 plus 54, 59. Anyway, last digit will be 9. I need only last digit. I am multiplying 9 into 6. I am getting 54. I am writing just 4 alone because I need 4 alone because unit digit alone required. 5 plus 4, now 9. 9 is the unit digit of this expression. Okay, that's all. The unit digit concept. Cyclicity is very easy topic. Whenever you have higher power values, then you can use cycle to find the unit digit. If the question is about unit digit and last digit, we are going to use cyclicity. Okay, that's all from now.